Howdy YouTube and fellow preppers. I just did a water distill, and this is my VFO's water distill in front of you here. Looking at all the scum in the bottom of the distiller just made me think about a couple of things, and being more awake and being more aware and questioning things is a very healthy thing to do. It's a sign of mental strength and using what most things these days take away from you, which is independent critical analysis and thought. Just because somebody says something doesn't mean that it's true. If you look at your local water companies, they'll tell you that the water's safe. If you were to write to your local water company, and it's something that I would suggest that you do, and you ask for a water quality report from them, it will be at least a page and a half of stuff which they measure and monitor. Of course, you've got to wonder about the things that they don't put on them pages. But if we just look at the bottom of my water distiller here, I mean, that is just absolute scum there. There's some sort of residual briny type liquid at the bottom there. Just absolute scum that's on there. And this is from tap water. Inorganic solid material from tap water makes up 205 kilograms or 35 stone of weight, which goes and passes through our body. Now, our body is very good at filtering. It has many areas in the body, many organs, which are designed to filter. And sadly, the stuff that they put in our water and in our air and in our food, it attacks these organs. Many of these organs are associated with the endocrine system. The endocrine system is basically what keeps the whole of the body in sync. So obviously you can imagine certain parts of the body become sick and ill in the endocrine system, then it basically snowballs to further issues, mostly autoimmune. The one thing that I did when I was starting to be more aware of things and actually take an interest in what I was consuming, I started from the liquid side, and a lot of people will change their diet, they'll change the food, but I wanted to take it back further, and I'm really glad that I did actually, because changing the water that I drank was just such a good idea, really. And when I first got my water distiller and I saw this, it just confirmed to me that what I was doing meant that I was on the right path. Obviously, this story comes from a preparedness point of view, because even though municipal water isn't perfect, it's a lot more ideal than what you're going to face out in the woods if you're bugging out. Even if you're bugging in, problems with the water supply can and will affect you. So the importance of this from a preparedness standpoint is just to be more aware of what you're putting into your body. What you're putting into your body really does affect your performance in even the most minuscule of crises. Whether you need to help yourself or whether you need to help others, just taking an interest in what you're putting into your body can really help you, and it can help others in emergency situations or even non-emergency. You know, just being healthy, putting in good, clean, healthy water. Distilled water is the only non-destructive water that you can actually put into your body. And I just wanted to show you here that this is the crud that is left over. And yet the local water board says that the water from the tap is very safe. Well, what I would like to see them do is to actually drink and eat that crap that's at the bottom of my distiller, and then just see how healthy they are after they've done that. So just some thoughts for today, guys. Be safe, be prepared. This is Geordie Prepper, signing out.